We found these really rusted or beautiful patina tool chest, and this one, it's more like a safe. It's heavy duty, a thick metal, but it's going to work good because we're planning on using it for a wine safe. And this client that wants us to find things like this, he likes the patina and he want to store his very expensive wine, and put some padlock on here. So this is going to work out great. Here's another tool chest, just the same way. Very rusted, beautiful patina. That's for the same clients that wants wine safe. He want to lock up his very expensive wine inside his house. And look at here. This is not a regular tool chest. It's more like a storage cabinet for tools. And then we just put a padlock here. We did go through all over, inside and outside, with that 3M pad and Ajax, and we also used soft scrub, and it's almost ready for a wax, but some areas is really a lot of rust on, so we're just gonna go over it with a sander. It's kind of just a little bit here and here. It still have that rusted patina look. Didn't really change the look. It just made it a little smoother, and it's easier to apply the wax, and it's just nicer. faint. The client asked to have this spacing. It's a little different than it was used for a tool chest. We cleaned all these metal shelves, took off all the rust, and then he wants some plastic cover that he got from IKEA. And like this. And then we're gonna put those on the shelving, and then he's gonna put his wine on here. The client wants this wine rack inside the safe. This thing can be taken off, and there is this much room behind. So I don't know if this is going to be hiding something, but who knows. We're going to put this on there, and he can store some wine here. I would assume here all the wine is going to be laying down, and this is for supposedly expensive wine, collector's side wine. And now we just need to put the doors on and put the wax. He insists to have Carnauba car wax. So that's what he gets. Now I'm going to put some wax on, and I'm going to buy some heavy-duty padlocks, and it should be done. The client insists to use this, but I have a few other waxes that we're going to try, but mainly this is. And then we're going to try some wood wax. This is the Carnauba paste wax. It comes on pretty easy. See how long it lasts. And a good thing with this, when the surface gets a little dry, you just apply a little more on there. And since it's going to be inside in a basement, it's gonna last pretty long, for a long time.